Hey, it's Anissa, and I'm so excited to bring to you the 4-quart digital air fryer by Complete Cuisine. Now, we all know the benefits of cooking with the air fryer. It's healthier because you use less oil, and so you're not deep frying it, you're actually using air. And let me tell you, it will be just as crispy as deep frying. Here's some other benefits that we don't always think about. This one appliance can replace your toaster, a toaster oven, a deep fryer, your oven, and so much more. Yep, with this one unit, you can roast, fry, bake, grill, toast, and reheat. And let me tell you, when you reheat with an air fryer, you can't believe the results. You can reheat leftover French fries, and they're gonna taste like you just made them. Now, I've been using this one for over a month, and I use it almost every day. I love this one because while it's a full 4 quarts, which is a gallon, it's the most compact one I've ever seen. So I can leave it on my counter so it's easy to use, and it's not taking up an obscene amount of space. And look how sharp it is. It looks great in any kitchen. This has 8 preset modes, including a food dehydrator mode. Now, I haven't used that yet, but I'm excited to try making my own beef jerky. But with this mode, you can make your own dried fruit, your own spices, and more. And if you don't want to use the presets, you can control the temperature, which goes up to 400 degrees. Now, one of the most important things that a lot of air fryers on the market don't have is this is ETL certified for safety and compliance. And I love the easy to read digital display, which is actually on top, which makes it easier to see. Now, one of the things that I'm famous for is my French fry recipe from scratch. It's so easy to make, and they're so good. I'm gonna share that recipe with you. It's available free for download on our site. But maybe my favorite thing of all is our super low price. I do need to warn you, whenever we sell an air fryer, they sell out quickly, and I'm sure this one will too. So make sure you head on over to the site to grab yours and get your free recipe today.